be role models.
Yeah.
Somewhere I think we are not doing our job as a role model good enough. We are only training them to move on to the next step in life. If the students saw us as good role models, they would probably want to emulate our examples. So somewhere I feel the first responsibility lies on the teacher herself or himself, whether it at any level, I would say. School, of course, it begins at the school level because that's the very first experience a child has with this teacher. And the child should actually find the teacher aspirational as well as inspirational. If that happens, I think somewhere the first seed has been planted. So I think the responsibility lies on the teachers to rise to that level where the child can look upon them as a role model. The second responsibility, I would say, is very strongly the societies. I think we as a society do not truly value our teachers as much as we should. On Teachers' Day, there are a huge lot of platitudes. You can hear people, singing pains on teachers everywhere. Every media is full of Happy Teachers' Day, remembering people. But through the year or in times of crisis is when you really see what is the true opinion. Let's take a very simple example of this particular crisis, whether it is an engineering college, a professional college, or a regular school. Has the society truly come out in support of the teachers? Have they thought, okay, how do we support the teachers in taking this job forward? Or has the conversation more about being, why are the school charging fees? Why are the schools being so commercial? The whole conversation has moved in a wrong direction. If we think our children are not listening to all this, we are very sadly mistaken. We can preach anything that we want to our children, but our children learn from what they imbibe from their society. So I think, and I don't hold any one person responsible. The society is made up of all of us. We need to very consciously go back to the time when we respected our gurus. I mean, so that is why I said for the society to respect the guru, it is the responsibility of the guru first to rise to that level, to ensure the society shows that responsibility. And finally, I think somewhere we do need to change the way we are addressing education in our society. It is a very, very means-oriented education where children are only learning or rather getting into colleges with the end in mind, which is to earn money. And unfortunately, in our country, the education industry is definitely not associated with money. Probably the coaching industry is, but not our schools and colleges. So that's where I think we need to also address the issue. So these, I think, if we work upon these things, there can definitely be a change. We still have a lot of good students who go abroad and get into academia. It's a surprising thing.